Little bunny hopped outside, found his bicycle for a ride. Off I go, he laughed with glee, pedaled fast as fast could be. Ring-a-ling, ring-a-ling, hear him say, zooming down the sunny way. Wiggle, giggle, what a sight, bunny riding with delight. To the village shop he sped, with his helmet on his head. Bought some carrots, beans, and peas, pumpkins, apples, chunks of cheese.
Thank you so much.
Ring-a-ling, ring-a-ling, bag so tight, groceries piled up high and bright. Wiggle, giggle, oh what fun, bunny shopping's nicely done. Home he rode with happy cheer, dancing on his bike, oh dear. Through the paddy field so wide, swaying side to side to side. Slip and slide, oh what a glitch! Plop, he fell into a ditch. Splash went mud from toe to ear. Bunny blinked and said, oh dear. Bike was muddy, so was he, brown as he could be. So he walked back home that day, pushing bike along the way. Squish, squash, squish, squash, muddy feet. Still he smiled, what a treat. Next time I'll go slow, said he, but what a fun ride it did be. Little bunny laughed out loud, though he wore a muddy shroud. Home at last with grocery load, after quite a bumpy road. Ling-a-ling, ring-a-ling, hear him say, zooming down the sunny way. Wiggle, giggle, what a sight, bunny riding with delight. Ring-a-ling, ring-a-ling, hear him say, zooming down the sunny way. Wiggle, giggle, what a sight, bunny riding with delight.